Today we will be discussing how to install our ratchet replacement kit for our RTF Series Reel. First, identify the two existing holes in the bracket closest to the tight angle bend. Place the ratchet, pawl, and shim together, matching and aligning the holes. Position on the back side of the bracket aligned with the existing holes. Use a 3/8 lock washer, flat washer, and bolt to fasten the components in place loosely. Use the remaining 1032 lock washer, flat washer, and screw to complete the alignment. Tighten all fasteners, ensuring the replacement pawl and shim are seated and secure against the bracket like so. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more how-to and informational videos.